Okay, so you cross my mind every night. But there's a reason for that. Because you're fucking snoring. Okay, but you know what? The sound sends me. I'm gonna lie now. Okay, so you know the sweet melody of your snore sends me to a nice dream, and then I dream of petals.